Thinking of trading with MultiBank Group? Then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be going through the pros and cons of trading with MultiBank Group and answer all key questions, such as, is MultiBank safe to trade with? Do their fees and spreads ensure you keep the most of your winnings? Is there a diverse range of markets and tools? We'll also show you around their trading platforms with a live tour so you can check out the broker's trading features firsthand. Lastly, we'll give you our honest verdict on trading with MultiBank Group. Make sure you stick around for the full scoop. But hey, if you're eager to jump to a specific section, just use the chapters feature below. Let's get started. MultiBank Group first opened its doors in 2005 in California, USA, and since then they have expanded to multiple global entities with 5 regulated by top-tier financial authorities. Traders can access over 20,000 financial products across global financial markets from the MT4, MT5, and MultiBank Plus proprietary platforms. Plus, there is a diverse range of educational content and research tools. Now, before we dive into the details, remember, if you're interested in checking out MultiBank Group for yourself at any point during this video, you can click the link in the description below or on the top right corner for the best offer available in your region. Now, let's start with trust. Is MultiBank Group reliable? Let's take a closer look at the measures they take to protect your money. MultiBank Group has worldwide entities licensed by multiple global financial regulators, including the top-tier ASIC from Australia, BaFin, Germany, CySEC in Cyprus, FMA in Austria, MAS in Singapore, and the SCA in the UAE. So what does this mean for you? Firstly, every one of its global entities keeps your funds in segregated accounts. Now, this means the broker can't use your money for their own purposes, keeping it safe even if the broker faces financial problems. On top of this, every entity offers negative balance protection, so you don't have to worry about your account balance falling below zero due to sudden market changes. Of all the global entities, 3 are part of a regulatory compensation scheme to protect your funds if the broker goes out of business. One of the entities, MBX Atlantic, offers its own private insurance through Lloyd's of London, covering up to $1 million. With more than 2 decades in the business and 25 offices across 5 continents, MultiBank Group has earned a reputation for stability and reliability. We've given MultiBank Group a strong trust score of 4.5 out of 5. Now, let's tackle MultiBank's fees. How much will spreads and commissions actually cost you, and how do they stack up against the industry? Let's find out. We ran our tests using the MultiBank Pro CFD trading account from its Cayman Islands-based entity, which includes spreads and swap rollover fees, but no commissions. To get a thorough view, we ran these tests at the peak trading times in the London and New York trading sessions. So, what do we find? MultiBank Group's trading fees are actually very competitive across most of the asset classes they offer. Spreads on major and minor currency pairs, commodities, stock indices, and share CFDs all beat the industry average. However, the spreads for crypto CFDs are notably high, nearly double the industry average. Also, there's a relatively steep inactivity fee of $60 if there's no trading activity for 3 straight months. We also noted higher swap charges, which means that MultiBank's fee structure is more suitable for day trading. Overall, MultiBank's fees are generally competitive, earning them a solid score of 4.1 out of 5 in this category. Next up, we checked the broker's trading platforms, and finding the one that fits just right can be a game changer for your trading experience. MultiBank offers a good range of trading platforms and apps that cater to beginner and advanced traders. Starting with their own creation, the proprietary MultiBank Plus platform is accessible on both web and mobile devices. This all-in-one platform features a modern interface and user-friendly design, along with extensive technical analysis tools. The account opening process is also quick, it's taking just 3 minutes. The broker also offers access to well-known MT4 and MT5 platforms available on desktop, web, and mobile. They mainly cater to advanced traders interested in customizable features and automated trading. However, their design feels a bit outdated and less sleek compared to the proprietary platform. Additionally, MultiBank Group offers virtual private servers or VPS hosting for improved execution speeds and fixed API for institutional and high-volume clients looking for direct market access. Now, let's take a quick tour of the broker's proprietary platform, MT4, and the mobile app. First, we'll do a walkthrough of the popular MetaTrader 4 platform offered by MultiBank Group. The interface is made up of 4 major panels: watch lists, navigator, charts, and terminal. From the Market Watch panel, you can track the live prices of your favorite instruments. Double-click to pull up the order ticket, and you can also drag an instrument over to view its chart. The Navigator panel also allows users to toggle between different accounts and access custom indicators and expert advisors for automated trading. Charting within the platform is robust with over 60 indicators and drawing tools to use. You can access one-click trading and trading from the chart, making this a suitable platform for day traders and scalpers. One of the benefits of the MetaTrader 4 platform is that it's highly customizable. For example, I like how you can tile the charts to suit your preference and track multiple markets at once. And finally, in the terminal panel at the bottom here, you can view your open positions and your history of trades, and you can also set price alerts. Now let's take a look at the MultiBank Plus trading platform. The interface has 3 major components: charts, order entry, and position tracking. The platform features cutting-edge charts from TradingView with over 100 technical indicators and drawing tools. Let's add some Bollinger Bands here. In the order entry area, you can set market, limit, and stop loss orders. And I like that you can enter the order by dollar value or by lot size. And you can also enter take profit and stop loss orders at the same time as your initial order. The position tracking area at the bottom here makes it easy to stay on top of your account details like open positions, pending orders, and your order history. Overall, I rate this platform as beginner-friendly, intuitive, and well-designed. If we flip over to the dashboard here, we can see custom and thematic watch lists are available, and traders can also access a newsfeed. The MultiBank Plus app is available for Android and iOS mobile devices and offers a sleek, intuitive interface and user-friendly features. From the Home tab, you can actually view watch lists and top news stories. And the Trade tab contains the order entry ticket where you can access 20,000 different financial instruments and shows your open positions, pending orders, and order history. To view the chart for a specific instrument, you can tap here. The app also allows you to easily deposit, withdraw, and transfer funds, as well as manage your account details while you're on the go. Our score for MultiBank Group's platforms and tools is a respectable 4.2 out of 5. And finally, to make the most of the market's opportunities, you need a broker that offers a diverse range of markets to trade on. MultiBank really stands out with its impressive lineup of tradable instruments. Most of these are shares CFDs, along with a fairly large selection of cryptocurrencies. We're talking about 55 Forex pairs, 22 indices, 18 commodities and metals, over 200 cryptos, and over 20,000 stocks and ETFs. Overall, we rated the range of tradable instruments at MultiBank with an above average score of 4.7 out of 5 for this category. In just a moment, we'll share our verdict on MultiBank Group. But before that, let me share a bit about us and why you can rely on our insights. Did you know that we've been reviewing Forex brokers for more than 12 years? Our broker analyst team is a mix of seasoned analysts and pro traders. This year alone, we've tested 80 Forex brokers, giving us a deep understanding of the industry to compare and evaluate them effectively. So, is MultiBank Group the right broker for you? Let's recap on what they bring to the table. Now, firstly, the broker is well regulated and has been in business since 2005. All their entities offer a negative balance protection and segregate client funds from their own, offering a high level of safety and security. MultiBank Group also has an impressive range of over 20,000 markets, including Forex, cryptos, indices, commodities, and global stocks. The broker invested in their proprietary all-in-one platform with a simple and easy-to-use interface. There are also free VPS hosting and multi-manager accounts available. Lastly, the spreads in Forex, indices, commodities, and stocks are very competitive and comfortably beat the industry average. On the downside, the trading fees for cryptos are high and in some cases double the industry average. Swap charges tend to be on the higher side, making the broker less suitable for longer-term position trading. There's also a pretty high inactivity fee if no activity has taken place for 3 months in a row. So, who is MultiBank best suited for? MultiBank offers solutions for traders at all levels. It is an excellent choice for beginner traders, offering commission-free trading accounts, a user-friendly in-house trading platform, and an extensive range of educational materials, which includes 10 courses. For advanced traders, MultiBank Group offers the highly customizable MT4 and MT5 platforms, allowing for automated trading strategies. Additionally, traders get free VPS hosting and access to expert research from Trading Central. Stock traders will appreciate the huge selection of share CFDs, providing access to some of the largest and most popular markets and exchanges around the world, complemented by MultiBank's competitive fees on these instruments. Finally, due to very competitive spreads, MultiBank is a great option for day traders who don't need to hold positions open overnight and can avoid paying swap fees. In our assessment, we awarded MultiBank Group an overall score of 4.5 out of 5, marking its offerings as above average. Interested in giving them a go? Just click the link in the description or top right-hand corner to head straight to their site. You can also check the more detailed review of the broker on our website and share your thoughts. Comment with any questions about MultiBank or suggest brokers for our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. We'll see you in the next video.